about a little over 6 months ago, when I did an MRI, it came back showing that I had cysts on my liver, my kidneys. I mean, it was a whole mess. So my girlfriend, Sheila, she told me about NuSpecies and recommended that I come here. So 3 months ago, I was here and I met with Aston, and then I met with Dr. Guy, and I started the cleansing treatment.
And you also followed the New Life program as well.
Yes.
Right?
Oh, without that,
Yeah.
I changed my whole complete diet. Everything that I'm not supposed to eat, I've cut out of my diet.
Right.
So that part was hard, because there's certain things that you're so accustomed to eating.
Yeah. So it'll take some time to cut it out.
But, and the thing about it is that it was a matter of when you want success, you just have to.
You're determined to make those changes. Yep.
Determined to make those changes.
Right. So it's basically giving your body what it needs.
What it needs.
So it can heal itself.
Clean the immune system out. It was really a cleansing. As Aston had said to me when I came in first, he says, my immune system is all messed up, out of whack from 18 years of cancer drugs and chemotherapy and all that sort of stuff. He said you have to cleanse your immune system. Well, I went for an MRI a little over a week ago. The MRI, after doing all of the cleansing and taking all of that stuff, the MRI came back, no trace of cancer. And I mean, I can also credit God, because first and most importantly, he's been my rock the whole time. And constant prayer, positive thinking, and clearly NuSpecies. Because, I mean, when you talk about cleansed, it cleansed. Okay?
Yeah.
Going to the bathroom and all of that sort of stuff, I could literally feel like there was something scraping my insides.
Your insides, yeah.
So when the results came back, I had noticeable cysts in both groins, and those I noticed just gradually disappeared. Okay, so I'm just in a rejoicing mood, thanking God.
Yeah, of course. So now you become a NuSpecies. After being healed from breast cancer, what else happened?
Okay, 2 weeks into taking NuSpecies, I woke up one morning and I was blinded in my left eye. And all the doctors could tell me was that I had picked up some form of virus. They didn't know what it was. But I had a virus in the eye, and I was blind actually for 15 days. At the time, I told the doctor that I had started this new herbal treatment, and she said she doubted very much if it had anything to do with causing the virus in the eye. Anyway, they started treating me with steroids, and 15 days after, my vision was restored. I saw her like a week after that, and she was totally amazed that every trace of whatever virus was in the eye was completely gone.
Right.
In fact, she even said to me, "You're boring because now I have nothing to treat."
Yeah, so she pretty much was taking a chance giving you steroids. She wasn't sure that it was going to help.
That it was going to help.
And then also, too, you said with the breast cancer that the doctor knew you were doing the natural
Yes, I did tell him I was doing the natural
and you were still taking chemo and doing the drugs while you're doing it together.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, totally amazed at that.
Wow.
I'm back to get some more expensive.
That's awesome. But it's an investment, right? It's an investment in your health.
That's exactly it.
Because you can't put a cost on your health. But I'm glad that you've gotten the results that you're looking for. And
so I just went ahead with whatever Dr. Guy told me to do. And here I am with my success story.
That's
Thank
awesome.
God.
I'm so happy for you.
You're happy?
So happy for you.
And it's, as I said, 3 months. Changed.
18 years of using
18 years.
chemotherapy, radiation,
18
drugs,
years.
and then just only 3 months of NuSpecies.
3 months of NuSpecies.
And it changed everything.
3 months of
That's
NuSpecies.
awesome. And you're saying we can share this on the radio, right?
Yes, you can.